America just made its biggest move yet, a full naval blockade of Iran, starting today. After 21 hours of failed peace talks in Pakistan, Trump went all in. U.S. Central Command just announced a blockade of all ships entering and exiting Iranian ports starting at 10 a.m. today. No deal was reached. Vance said Iran chose not to accept America's terms. Here's what this means for you. Gas is already at $4.13 a gallon, up $1.14 since this war began. A full blockade means oil prices go even higher. Analysts say gas could hit $5 before this ends. Your grocery bills, your flights, your everything, all going up. The ceasefire is still technically holding, but this blockade could break it